Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ayurvedically Beautiful, and in today's video I will be showing you 4 benefits of rosemary for hair growth and showing you how simple it is to make your own DIY rosemary infused oil for your hair. But before we jump in, if you haven't already, go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be notified every time I upload a new video. Rosemary is such a great herb for our hair, and the first benefit is the fact that it contains ursolic acid, which helps to increase scalp circulation, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to be sent directly to our hair follicles. The second benefit is its ability to improve cell health. An increase in cellular regulation helps to aid in hair growth and thickness. The third benefit is that rosemary has been proven to reduce inflammation and itchy scalp. Being that this plant has been said to perform as well as a popular hair growth medication with unwanted side effects called minoxidil, this is a perfect natural and organic alternative that can soothe your scalp rather than inflame. The fourth and final benefit is its preventative properties. Research shows that rosemary can help to combat dandruff, eliminate dryness, and is perfect in forestalling gray hair. Now let me show you a simple DIY oil that you can make using this plant. You will need your choice of oil, some fresh or dried rosemary, and a container or bottle. All you need to do is place your oil in a pan on low heat, then add in your rosemary. You want to make sure that the oil is not bubbling or boiling to prevent it from burning. After about 15 minutes, you can strain the rosemary from the oil and place it into your bottle or container after it has cooled down. I personally like to add a branch or two of fresh rosemary to the container and let it sit for about 24 hours before I use it in my hair. That wraps up this video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, don't hesitate to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone you know. See you in the next video. Ayurvedically Beautiful.